Our goal today is to keep our Wix website updated, our portfolio website updated. First, go to Wix.com and you will log in using your personal professional email, similarly to the one you have created. Once you log in, you get to this page here. You should see your site and click on Edit Site. This will take you to the editor. And you should log into the home page just like this. Your goal now is to go to portfolio page and add in the last project we have done, which is going to be the swimming pool design. So to do so, I'm gonna click on the little plus sign, click on image. I'm gonna upload some images from the desktop. I'm gonna say upload media, upload from computer. What I'll do is I'll drag the three images that I have already saved, and I'll go ahead and say open. What that would do is it will upload all three images onto the library that I have. One is going to be just a stud, one is the drywall, exterior sheeting, interior sheeting, and then one is going to be your final design. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in the final design first because I want that to be the largest one. Simply drag down and it will expand the page just like this. Notice how it's pushing down and allowing you to have more stuff on your page. Once you have that set up, I'm gonna line it up perfectly, just like that. I'm gonna move down just a little bit to create more space between the different projects. I'm gonna copy this one by pressing Command C on the keyboard. Then go down here, press Command V. That's gonna be my text. I'm gonna grab also the header, Command C, Command V. I'll drag that down as well. This one will be living room design. I'll go ahead and minimize some things. Or if I want to make this bigger, I actually want to showcase this a little bit more. I'll make this a little bigger, just like that. And what I'll do then is this will allow me to figure out a new kind of layout. Again, this one is one type of layout. This is a different type of layout. I'm gonna create a different kind of layout. I just want to make this a little larger. If I double click on the image, I can actually crop that just a little bit because there's a lot of white spaces that I do not need. And I say apply, that will then crop just a little bit. That gives me a little room on this side for me to play with. Or I can just stretch this out even bigger and make this more visible if that's something I want to do. I actually want to do that. I want to make this as big as I can, almost like the whole page. Then give me some room on the bottom then to create the two different images that I want to put in. So I'm gonna click the little plus sign again, upload from computer. It's already in my library, so I'm gonna choose this one and I'm say add. I'm gonna pull it down to the bottom and same thing, give it some space, double click, and it will give me this little teal color that allow me to crop. We're going to crop that real quick and move it over. I'm gonna do one more on the right hand side here. Plus sign, image, upload, and drywall. Double click, crop this just a little bit as well. And I'm gonna bring this one down to here. Notice how it's not aligned perfectly. So what I'll do is I'll stretch this out just a little bit more, just give me a little more space. And then what I'll do is I'm gonna just go ahead and scale this down just a little bit. I'm gonna stretch that down a little bit, stretch this one a little bit as well. So it can be perfectly aligned just like that. Now I can move this one up just a hair, just like that. So now I have my next project and then I want to type in what I have decided to do and what have I learned, why did I design the living room the way I did, and then also at the end you're gonna put in what did you learn in this project.